Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's definitely been some time since I posted for you guys, and I wanted to make this video as special as can be. If you do follow me on social media like Instagram or TikTok, you kind of already know what the new car is. But without further ado, I want to reveal to you guys the new ride.
Let's try to visualize the blood pressure goes up. Breathing becomes faster. From this point of view, we may describe emotion as primitive biological reactions to painful or threatening stimulation from outside.